Hello, hi viewers. Today we are going to train you MH Magazine Lite theme. MH Lite Magazine theme. This is the best WordPress theme. Today we are going to teach you part 1 of this tutorial. In this tutorial we will be teach you a long introduction of MH Lite theme. First of all, you have to log in your WordPress dashboard. This dashboard available in your domain where you install the WordPress in your domain. After the installation of the WordPress, you will be see this dashboard on your screen. In the dashboard, how to install the MHWP Lite theme, you have to click the appearance and press the theme. In the theme section, press the add new button. In the add new button, you have to write the MH Magazine Lite. You enter the alt text like this and press the install, and after the installation press the activate button. After the activate button, you will be see the your website look like this. You see the website is so much beautiful style automatically implemented on this. Before this, who look like your website, this theme I think so activated. Going to refresh the page. Our website see look like this. After the active this theme, your look like this. You see a beautiful theme is already activated for your website. And first of section we are going to add some pages in our website. Mostly which type of pages we are need to create a website. First of all, we need home page. First of all, we add the title here, home. Press the publish. Again press the publish. This page will be published. You can see view page. Click here. This is our home page created. Home page also created, and also automatically add in our menu bar. This is the another page, simple page. This is our menu bar, and the menu bar already added. After this, we are need some many pages. Press here to back to dashboard. Add new page. Before this, we are going to add another plugin. Plugins provide us the more easy way to create a website. This is the classic editor. This is the easiest editor to create your page. Press the active button. After the activation, we are going to create new page. After this, we have the many facilities are available. First of all, we need about us. Just press the publish button, nothing else you need. The about us page created, you can see on your website here. Home, about us. We are after a few minutes arrange this. Another page we need, press the add new button. About us, our services, just press the publish button. System will be created our services page for you, our services. After this, we need add other page, our gallery. Just press the publish button, and we another name needs contact us. Press the publish button. Your system will be create all pages for you. Just press here. About us mean all pages are created successfully, but we are at this need to arrange the menu. Just very easy. Press the appearance button, press the menu bar. In the menu we are going to set the all type of menu, arrange or all type of menus. Select a menu and First of all, we see home, about us, contact us, home, many pages we see on our page. First of all, we are need home. We need the sample page, don't need first, therefore I am going to remove this. First of all, we need arrange the home. After about contact us at the end, and our services here, and okay, home, about us, our services, our gallery, and contact us. Create the create menu button. Press the refresh button. Thanks for your watching. We will meet you in part 2 training. Thanks.